Water is essential, but not all water is safe to drink. Many people assume that tap water or untreated sources are automatically clean, but the truth is, contaminants, sediments, and bacteria can be present even in seemingly clear water. Learning how to build a DIY water filter system empowers you to take control of the water you consume and ensures safety for you and your household. Even in developed areas, common issues like rusted pipes, hard water minerals, or residual chemicals from treatment plants can affect water quality. For those relying on well water or emergency supplies, untreated water may carry pathogens that lead to illness. The problem is that commercial filters can be expensive, require regular replacement, or sometimes remove beneficial minerals along with harmful ones. A DIY solution provides an affordable, hands-on way to filter water effectively while understanding exactly what's happening inside the system. The first step is to identify the contaminants you're most concerned about. Sediment, dirt, and debris can be managed with physical layers, while chemical or microbial impurities may require activated charcoal or sand filtration. A simple, effective DIY water filter typically combines multiple layers in sequence: coarse gravel, fine gravel, sand, and activated charcoal. Each layer has a specific function. Coarse gravel prevents clogging, fine gravel improves clarity, sand captures smaller particles, and charcoal absorbs chemicals and odors. Begin by choosing a container, such as a clean plastic bottle or a food-grade bucket. Ensure it has a secure outlet at the bottom for filtered water to flow out. Place a small piece of cloth or coffee filter at the base to keep the filtration layers in place. Start layering the materials in the correct order: charcoal at the center for maximum contact with water, sand above it for fine particulate removal, then fine gravel, and finally coarse gravel on top. For added safety, you can rinse each layer before use to remove dust or loose particles. Water passes through each layer slowly, giving the filter time to trap and absorb impurities. You can increase efficiency by using multiple bottles in series or larger containers to allow a greater volume of water to filter at a steady pace. Remember, while this DIY system greatly reduces visible debris and some chemicals, it may not remove all bacteria or viruses. Boiling the filtered water afterward adds an extra layer of safety. An important insight is that understanding the science behind your filter is as valuable as building it. The layers replicate principles used in commercial water filtration, showing how mechanical, chemical, and adsorption methods work together to clean water. By constructing it yourself, you gain a clear understanding of each component's role, making maintenance and troubleshooting straightforward. You also control what materials are used, avoiding unnecessary additives or proprietary substances found in some store-bought filters. In conclusion, a DIY water filter system is a practical, educational, and cost-effective solution for improving water safety at home. While it cannot replace professional water testing or guarantee complete sterilization, it significantly reduces visible debris, chemical taste, and certain contaminants. Whether for daily use, emergency preparedness, or educational purposes, building your own filter gives you knowledge, control, and confidence in the water you drink. If you want to explore more methods and understand how each layer functions in real time, subscribe to the channel for step-by-step guides. Check the video description for a link to a resource that details safe